Hi guys, welcome and welcome back. This will make my sixth Benable list that I am creating for you guys on my 75 days of Benable challenge until 2024. Okay, so this list now is going to be about Target items that are Halloween themed. Okay, again, Benable is a website that has affiliate links associated with over 30,000 brand partners. And it is a way where people can find your list. They click on the links and then you get a kickback from that, okay? Affiliate links that you don't have to do anything besides the upfront work, which is creating the list. So we're just gonna get right into it. I did one earlier today, which was the Halloween party items. I've started numbering my list so I can keep track of them. And so far, it's been kind of hard finding certain items on certain websites, but I figure what I'm going to do is I am now going to just follow what I see here in terms of on the dashboard and on the brand partners. I'm going to double check and make sure that even though I'm looking at a particular item, and in this case, I'm looking at for something that's Halloween themed, not all the items are going to have like links affiliated with them. So I showed that in my last video. With this one, I'm going to make sure if I'm focusing on Target, I'm going to check the brand partners, make sure Target is a brand partner. And I'm just going to open up this list. I've already typed in the word Halloween items. And it says we couldn't find a match for your research, but these could work. So I'm going to hopefully get together 30 items. It doesn't matter. I'm not gonna have it be gender focused any type of way, or if it's gonna be party focused, or just costumes and different. It's just gonna be different odds and ends. Okay, so we're gonna bust through this because I still have to now make it to the library. I have not eaten. My Uber order got canceled because they didn't have my items. So y'all, I'm just sitting here surviving off of my dandelion coffee supplement. Coffee replacement. Okay. We're gonna get into this and you guys just gonna watch me create this list, okay? 75 days of Benable. I want to make sure I have a 75 to 100 out there. If I can have more, then so be it. But this has been a little bit therapeutic, knowing that I can find certain things, do my little research, put them all on the list. And I've gotten clicks on my list. I haven't had anyone provide me with any kind of cashback so far. Let me check. This is where you normally check your dashboard, recent viewers, and then cashback. Yeah. Come on, what's up, y'all? What's up? And you can also set this up with your bank account or with PayPal, I believe. And there might be other options for you to set it up for you to get your payments. You just have to look into it. But what you can do is use my code. That way you won't be on the waiting list, okay? So use the code. It's going to be listed below in the description box, and it will also be listed here. So I'm going to go ahead and start this list. If you guys have ideas of lists that I can create, please put them below. Share, like, follow. Let me know what I can do that you guys would like to watch. All right. See you at the end in the next video.